Hello everyone, I'm Naisha again. Today we'll be doing coding using Google Colab. So let's get started. First activity is these are a few of my favorite things. So now what you have to do is create a list of your favorite things and add 5 things to your list. And remember that list contains a mix of objects, not a single object. So what you are going to do is create a list named my underscore favorite underscore things and add 5 things to it. Then print out a message that says these are and then add your name, favorite things and the list of your favorite things. Use an F string to print out this message with your name and your list of favorite things. So I have created my code. My underscore favorite underscore things equal, then I have opened square brackets and single quotes, chocolate, Christmas, blue, dogs and coding. And then you need to print F string. These are Naisha's favorite things. You have to write your name and the list of your favorite things. So it printed out these are Naisha's favorite things and the list which we have given it. And the second activity is shapeshifter. So one day you and your friend decided to go to park and watch the clouds. And you want to keep a track of different clouds you see and what shapes they look like. So you both created an empty list with brackets before you begin. So I have created your underscore cloud underscore shapes equal and then brackets, and my friend have created the same pattern and his list or her list. So while watching, you continue to add the shapes of clouds and you see your list. Then once you go home, you take a look at each list, that is your cloud list and your friend's cloud list. So in my list there are many shapes which are circle, turtle shape, dolphin, truck, apple, spoon, and my friend also saw the same things but in a different order. So first he saw apple, then turtle, then spoon, then truck, then circle and then dolphin. So here is a hint. If you don't understand this activity, you can look after this hint. And the activity 3 is random factory. So what you need to do is using your knowledge of string constants and accessing list items by index, use the following list of random items to create a proper answer to each scenario that follows. And you also have to use F string to print the result of your code. So I have made my list, that is random underscore items equal basket, ball, tennis, table, book, foot, Hawaii, game and box. And there is another example, my example, that is Jackie is playing soccer with her friends in the field. So another friend of hers named Hermione comes along and says that soccer is called something else in her country. Can you form the other name of soccer using the random items list? So you have to hunt the name, another name for soccer. So the answer is football. So I have used print and you have to use F string. So I have used F. Then our list random underscore items and the 6th item and then random items 1. So it gave us the answer as football. Now let us look at the scenario. So scenario 1 is Andrew is about to play tennis with some friends. He has his tennis racket but he needs one more thing. Write some code to print out what he needs. So now you have to think from the list of your random items. I think he needs a ball also, tennis ball. So let us use F string and print out the answer. So print F random items 2 and then random item 1. So it gave us the answer tennis ball. And the last scene is Jean just baked some fresh bread. He wants to bring home some loaves to share. What can you make from the random underscore items list that can help him carry his bread home? So now Jean wants to carry her fresh bread to home. So what she needs, I think she will need a box. So here we write print F and random items 9. So it gave us the answer as box. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel for more updates and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you.